Did you know that how you withdraw your money is just as important as how much you save? Taxes can eat away at your retirement if you don't plan ahead. Let's break it all down so you can keep more. Are Social Security benefits taxable? Yes, but it depends upon your income. How it works? If Social Security is your only income, you probably won't owe taxes. If you have other income like a pension or investments, up to 85% of your Social Security benefits could be taxable. Income threshold for 2024: if you earn less than $25,000 single or $32,000 married, no tax on Social Security. If you earn between $25,000 to $34,000 as single or $32,000 to $44,000 as married, up to 50% of benefits are taxable. If you earn over $34,000 as single or $44,000 as married, up to 85% of benefits are taxable. How are 401k withdrawals taxed? Your 401k taxes depends on when and how you withdraw. Traditional 401k tax deferred, meaning you pay taxes when you withdraw. Withdrawals before age 59 and a half, you will pay income tax plus a 10% penalty. After the age 59 and a half, you only pay income tax. Once you turn 73, required minimum distribution kick in. You must withdraw a minimum amount each year. Roth 401k contribution are after tax, so qualified withdrawals are tax-free. No required minimum distribution if you roll it into a Roth IRA. What is the difference between traditional IRA and the Roth IRA for taxes? The biggest difference: when you pay taxes, traditional IRA contributions are tax deductible. Withdrawals in retirement are fully taxable. RMDs required at age 73. Roth IRA contributions are not tax deductible. Withdrawals in retirement are 100% tax-free if you have had the account for at least 5 years at 59 and a half plus. No RMDs. Your money can keep growing tax-free. What are the tax implications of rolling over 401k? If you're leaving a job, you may want to roll over your 401k to avoid taxes and penalties. 401k rollover options: roll over to an IRA, no tax if done properly. Roll over to a new employer's 401k, no tax if direct rollover. Cash out your 401k, big mistake. You will owe income tax plus 10% penalty if you are under 59 and a half. Do I have to pay taxes on dividends and interest? Yes. How much you pay depends on the type of income. Qualified dependent, taxed at 0% to 15% or 20% depending on income. For instance, if you earn less than $44,625 as a single, you pay zero tax on dividends. Ordinary dividends and interest from saving accounts, bonds, etc. taxed as a regular income. For instance, if you are in 22% tax bracket, you will pay 22% tax on bank interest. How do required minimum distributions work? If you have a traditional IRA or 401k, you must start withdrawing money at the age 70. Here are the key rules. The amount you must withdraw is based on your account balance and life expectancy. If you don't take RMDs, the IRS penalizes you 25% of the amount you should have withdrawn. What's your biggest retirement tax question? Drop it in comments. Like and subscribe for more tax tips. Assalamualaikum.